Okay, we're Chris and Flo. We're Low Bros and we're from Berlin and Hamburg.
We try to transfer a lot of like digital elements into an like analog process and bring it to the wall. So you create something unique. Yeah, the experience with Shine is super good so far. Yeah, we're really surprised how good like they put their minds into it. Oh, super good and super familiar feeling. I mean, we also know a couple of the other artists who get invited, but together with the Shine crew, it's just such a nice familiar vibe. It's super good and we feel like, yeah, a bit like home here.
Yeah, you kind of have the feeling that the whole city is part of it, you know. There are so many volunteers and so many people like bringing snacks or whatever, I don't know. There's just so much food coming all day long and it's just beautiful actually.
That's a nice thing about these festivals, that's a big like reunion with friends, so it's great.